This is the Cudy WU1400 wireless USB adapter. I am installing it on my PC. After installing the adapter, Wi-Fi is not showing up in Windows 11. If the Cudy adapter is not working in Windows 11, let's see how to fix it. First, unplug the adapter from here. Plug the adapter into a 3.0 USB port on your PC. After changing the USB port, check if Wi-Fi is working. If the adapter still doesn't work, go to step 2. Right-click on the Start menu. Click on Device Manager. Click on Network Adapters. Check your Wi-Fi driver. If your Wi-Fi adapter is disabled from here, then enable it. Sometimes the Wi-Fi adapter does not work because the adapter is disabled from here. After enabling the adapter, Wi-Fi will be visible in Windows 11. Now you can connect your PC to Wi-Fi. If the adapter is still not working after doing this, then update your Wi-Fi adapter. First, you need to connect your PC to the internet. If your phone has an internet connection, then share the internet from your phone to the PC via USB. Connect a USB cable from the PC to the phone. Go to your phone settings. Turn on USB tethering. After doing this, your PC will be connected to the internet. You can also update your driver from any other internet-connected PC. Now open an internet browser. Search by typing cudy.com/wu. Enter your driver model here. Select your driver version. Now download the driver for your Windows version from here. After downloading, open the file. Now extract the file. Open the file. Double-click on Setup. Click Yes. The Wi-Fi adapter is now installing on the PC. The adapter is now installed. After installing, Wi-Fi will be visible on your PC. Now you can connect your PC to Wi-Fi. Select your Wi-Fi. Enter your Wi-Fi password. PC is now connected to Wi-Fi. This is how you can fix the problem of Cudy adapter not working in Windows 11.